Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your OneDrive email address the right way as of 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to switch emails without losing access to your precious OneDrive files, photos, or any of your settings. So if you need to update your email or just want a fresh start with a new address, let's get straight into it. Alright, first things first. If you want to keep all your OneDrive stuff exactly where it is, the safest and most effective method is to change the primary alias on your Microsoft account. Your alias is basically your main email. Think of it as the key you use to unlock all Microsoft services, including OneDrive. By updating this, you're telling Microsoft, hey, this is my new email from now on, but you aren't actually creating a whole new account or leaving any data behind. Let's walk through the steps together. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to account Microsoft.com. This is Microsoft's main hub for managing your account. Sign in with the email address and password you currently use for your OneDrive. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's always the Forgot Password link to help you out. Once you're in, look up at the top menu and find where it says Your Info. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Microsoft keeps your profile details, including the email addresses you've linked to your account. Scroll down a little until you spot Account Info, and then click Edit Account Info. I know sometimes these menus seem hidden, but take your time and make sure you're in the right spot. You'll see options for emails and aliases once you're there. Now here's the important part. Click Add Email. You'll be given two options. You can either create a brand new @outlook.com address, or if you already have a different email you want to use, maybe a Gmail or Yahoo address, select Add an existing email as a Microsoft account alias. This is handy if you're consolidating accounts or just want to switch to an email you check more often. After you add your new email, Microsoft will probably send you a quick verification code to your new address. This is to make sure it really belongs to you. Pop that code in, a step that only takes a minute but is crucial for protecting your privacy. Now with the new email added, you'll see it listed alongside your old one. Look for the option Make Primary next to your new email and click it. This tells Microsoft, and by extension OneDrive, to use your new email as your main sign-in from now on. It's kind of like telling your post office you've moved. They'll just start sending everything to the new address. Here's a reassuring note. You can still keep your old email connected if you want, or if you'd rather not, now's the time to click Remove next to your previous email address. That way you won't be able to sign in with the old one anymore. It's entirely up to you. And that's it. All your OneDrive files, sharing settings, and history come along for the ride. No migration, no lost data, and no headaches. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please tap that like button so I know to make more guides like this. If you have any questions or hit any snags, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, up-to-date tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.